Today we will go over some of the concepts of adaptive learning. We have 5 different learning strategies: apprentice, incidental, inductive, deductive, and discovery. With these 5 strategies, you can provide a distinctively different learning experience that adapts to a learner's abilities and preferences. Combined with intelligent feedback from our system, we can discover which learning style works best for any learner. What we have observed is that not only do students learn differently, but they also learn different concepts differently. One person may do best with an apprentice strategy when it comes to algebra, but they'll do best with an incidental strategy when it comes to history. We have found that this is a very effective way of using this cognitive learning strategy to connect to your brain-based learning models. No matter what learning strategy or learning path that you chose, at the end of the subconcept for this module, you will need to take a quiz, and the quiz will spawn the diagnostics for the student. We'll let the avatar tell us how we did.
You've made a good try but could do better. You will be happy to note that I have created a short revision course that will help you get over your problems. Please select the revision icon to continue.
The student gets feedback telling them how they did and what they can do better. In this case, we achieved a score of 50%. 80% is required to pass. Here are the quiz results where they can review their answers to see which ones they missed. They can also look at performance graphs. These show data about quiz scores and quiz attempts. The concept time profile shows how much time I've spent in the course, and the pathway scores shows me the correlation between my learning strategies and my performance. I can also see how I've been using the 5 different learning pathways in this course. It looks like I've spent the most time in incidental, and it correlates with my performance. It also shows the kind of media I've been using and how much time I've spent in each pathway. All of these real-time statistics and data coming from the students' usage are also visible to the faculty, so the faculty will also know at any time how any student is doing in the course. Let's go back to the feedback now. Because I did not do well, the system is telling me to go back to build my competency by viewing the revision content in the apprenticeship learning strategy. Let's say in this case, I go through the content again and I take the quiz with different randomized questions. In this case, I got 83%.
Your performance is very good, but you still have room for improvement. I have figured out which concepts you need to pay more attention to and created a short revision course for you in a different adaptive pathway. Please select the revision icon to continue.
The feedback is telling us to go into the incidental learning style. So let's say that I go back and take the feedback again, and then take the quiz again. And this time, I can answer all of the questions correctly and achieve 100%.
Congratulations, you have a perfect score. Enjoy your success.
So, with this success, I am very happy and motivated to learn, and I will now go on to the next concept in the course. It will put me into the incidental learning pathway. Our system has learned what my ideal learning strategy is and adapted itself to present me with content that will best suit my learning preferences. Thank you.